So today our team check-in, which is comprised of Anh Lâm, Quý, me, Nhật Binh, and Anh Linh, will be presenting about our project budget planner. So throughout the evolution of financial management, there has been a continuous effort to meet the market's increasingly complex demands, transitioning from simple ledger books to today's sophisticated software. Yet the present scenario reveals a stark discrepancy. The limitations of widely utilized platforms like Microsoft Excel highlight a pressing need for more advanced tools capable of efficiently managing large data sets, reducing human error, and facilitating flexible scenario analysis. Despite advancements, existing solutions like Planningport, Google Sheets, Xero, and QuickBooks is present shortcomings in critical areas such as in-depth financial analysis, visualization, and seamless automation. These deficiencies highlight a gap in the current market for a tool that can encapsulate the need for automated, visualizable, and error-resistant financial management solutions. And next, Anlam will talk about our solution.
Okay, so thank you, Ming. So I will present about our solutions. So in response to the challenge, our team proposed the development of the budget planner applications. The application focuses on automating the generations of budget plan variations, intentionally categorizing budget items by their significance and applicability to different budget scenarios. So this automations strategy aim to curb human errors by automating updates of essential components, thereby minimizing unnecessary manual data entry. So also the data gathered is not isolated in separate sheet, but can also be visualized, compared, and interpreted in conjunctions with other data sets. So this facilitates not just a comprehensive view of overarching financial situations, but also address the challenge associated with managing extensive data set. So that is our solutions. Next up will be our system methodology by Link.
Thanks, Lum. Our team decided that we will follow Agile Scrum methodology across the development of the project. We came up with this decision after carefully analyzing the situations and the goal. We understand that this is a small-scale project, which we only have 10 weeks to finish our prototype. On top of that, we'll need to be able to make quick modifications when needed while ensuring the end website still have exceptional quality. Agile Scrum features such as constant refinements, delivery of manageable increments provide us with flexibility, fast development time. The product still remains high quality with minimal errors being produced, which fits perfectly for our goals and situations. Next up is the team experience part. I will also be the one who begin with this part. The three most prominent skills I learned from the process of making this project are technical management, programming, and communication. I was the one who set up the projects, adding CI/CD pipelines into our projects by utilizing advanced GitHub Actions and Vercel features. For programming part, I try to follow the best coding practices provided by TypeScript, Next.js, and Firebase. These are the tools we are using extensively throughout our project. Finally, as the one with the most working experience in the team, I also provide support guides as well as conducting comprehensive code reviews for other members. Now let's moving back to Lam.
Okay, so in reflecting on my recent experience, there are the key areas where I see significant role, which are technical skills and the project management skills. First, in terms of coding, I've become more fluent in web development process. I've learned more about industry conventions and have been incorporating them into my own coding practice, such as Next.js frameworks and React comprehensions. Additionally, I have discovered more tools and technology that help me to maximize the performance of the application I'm working on. One of such is Profiler, which helped me a lot during the development process by having to visualize the component on the website as well as the running time. So turning to management, I have refined the process for task delegations. I found that by splitting the task into two phases, outline and review, this helps the team members to stay on track and also can keep them aligned with each other. So instead of diving into the task without a plan, I also asked them to come up with a purpose. I learned the importance of setting expectations. By making sure everyone knows what the outcome should be, I have found that the team can work more efficiently toward our common goal. So next up will be Ming talking about his experience.
Okay, so throughout the course of this project, I have seen an upward tendency in my technical skills, team working skills, and architecture understanding. For the technical skills, this is mostly due to the multiple problems that I encountered, where I had to improvise a solution on the fly, hence enhancing my problem-solving skills. Also, the dual role that I attend in this project helped me gain more experience in front-end and back-end integration. And this is one of the first projects where I work in such a large team. The working procedure that we have gone through will be valuable lessons for me to improve my group working conventions in future projects. And finally, by doing tasks such as activity diagram and software architecture, I, in return, also have a better understanding of an overarching project architecture to use in the future career. So next, we will be talking about his experience.
So over the past 10 weeks, my team and I have worked on the ambitious project to develop a budget planner website. Through this project, I have enhanced my coding skills, which is related to Next.js to contribute effectively to the project needs. Furthermore, by tackling challenges such as debugging and researching functionality, I have deepened my understanding by adaptability and honed my skills in research and systematic debugging. Each obstacle provided me with a unique learning opportunity, allowing me to refine these essential technical skills. Through all this experience, I have realized that successfully project management lies in flexibility, detailed planning, and continuous learning. Lastly, I was also really happy to learn from my team about managing tasks and coding skills. And next is the conclusion. During this course, we have implemented and deployed the minimum viable product for the project planner. Furthermore, we have several exciting future works planned for this project. Firstly, we plan to design and implement sponsor features. This will help streamline the process of seeking funding and approving sponsorships, making it more fluid. Secondly, we aim to launch a trial of application within the university. This will allow us to collect valuable user feedback, which we can use to resolve any potential issues and maximize the user experience. Lastly, we intend to make project available for public use, thereby extending its reach. So the final part is our demonstration.
Okay, hi, it's Lum again. So I will kickstart the demonstrations of our applications. So I will be presenting about the four first features: a view homepage, a register, login, and finally manage budget database. So this will be our homepage for our application. So when you are directed to our application link, you can browse the page to view the overview of our applications. And then if you decide to sign in, you can use your existing Google account. So if your account is linked to our application will create a new whole account that will be linked to your Google account. Okay, so I would choose this example that is whole new account that is linked to our applications. So I can see a new account has been created with no data. So in addition, for the third features, the login. So I have logged in into this account, which has linked to our applications. So as you can see, there will be 4 projects that I'm having right now. And for the final features, the manage budget database, user can view all the project according to name, owner, and created. And they can also search by the names, like demo, or sort it by the created date. Okay, so in addition, you can also create a new project by clicking new project buttons. And for now, let's say I can create a new CPM project. And I click save. So there will be a notifications to tell you that a new project has been created and the viewer will be direct to the budget database page. So how about the delete? So by clicking action delete, the project will be deleted from the database. And that will be the end of my presentations. And next up will be middling.
Thanks, Lum. And I'm Ling, and I will continue with the project details page with these features. First one, here's the default view of the page containing all items of the projects. The users can choose to view items for specific plans by using the drop-down here. Now let's create a new item. First, put in the name. The users can create a new category here. Adding the price. Select the plans that the new item will appear in and click on the Add button. As you can see, the new item has been added to our database. and we can view it on the other plans too. Now let's make an edit. Let's change the price here to 20 and click save. And this will be updated on across all of the plans. Finally, let's delete the new item that we just create. And this is its appearance will disappear across our projects. To create a new plan, select on the drop down and the plus button here, put in the name, and select the items that this plan will contain. Click on the add buttons, and the user has been navigated to the new plans containing all of the items of the new plans too. To make an edit, simply put on the dot buttons here and feel free to make any changes as we want, and the UI has been updated. Now let's delete the new item, the new plan. And the user has been go back to the default views here.
For your wonderful demonstration. So next, I will be presenting about 3 different features. The first feature that I will be demonstrating is the Manage Collaborator. So as a member of this project, I will have the right to add another member into the project. And on another browser, I've already opened another account. And as you can see, this one currently has no project. But when I click on refresh, so we can see that we have already successfully added another account into the project. Moving on, I will be demonstrating about the comparison feature. So for this budget database, we currently have 2 projects, Project 1 and Project 2. And now we are going to compare the 2 of them. So based on the visualization, we can see that any budget item that exists on budget plan 1 but is removed in budget plan 2 will be visualized as red. Any budget item that exists on budget plan that does not exist on budget plan 1 but exists on budget plan 2 will be visualized as green. And any budget item that exists on budget plan 1 and also exists on budget plan 2 but have their details changed is marked as yellow. And this visualization will help us to locate the changes between the different budget plans easier. And now, finally, I'm going to demonstrate the chat collaborate feature. So if I want to tell the new members who come into the project that we're going to use the project to, I can just type it in here.
Thanks me for your demonstration. I will do quick brief of my feature, export budget plan, view cost component chart, and AI recommendation. So to use the export data, user need to first navigate to the specific project, and when click into it, it will pop up the downloaded file notification, and user click into here, open with the Microsoft Excel, and user can view a comprehensive list of items and plans related to project. And moving to the view chart, user click into the view chart here. User can see the pie chart and the bar chart, item by price, cost breakdown. And user can also touch the data display between item and category. And moreover, they can also hover the specific segment to view the detailed information about the item or the category. So last but not least, the AI chatbot. User can ask the question for them, like, who are you? And the AI will process the user input and provide a response. Like, we'll have the second question: can you give me detail how to improve my plan? And the AI chatbot will give all the ways to improve. So this is the end of our presentation. Thank you for your watching.